Assalamualaikum. My name is IRFAN ALIBRAHIMI bin Abdullah. Number metric SIT0212. Subject SCT 3103 from K2. Today I will explain about individual assignment case 2. So we go to the question. Case 2. CC Bank Berhad is the lessor and customer is the lessee. On 1st January 2019, CC Bank entered into a hire purchase contract with a customer for financing a motor vehicle. The customer purchases the motor vehicle from a car manufacturer at a price of RM200,000 paid in cash by the bank. The cost of motor vehicle is RM120,000. The flat interest rate is 2.5% per year. The upfront payment is RM44,000. The annual installment is RM44,000 also. Then we go to the Excel. First question, calculate the total finance charge and the effective interest rate. To calculate the total finance charge, we need 4 columns: year, cash inflow, cash outflow and net cash flow. For all the years, cash inflow is RM44,000, and then the cash outflow is RM200,000. We take from the question 1st January 2019, RM200,000 paid in cash by the bank. Then we calculate the net cash flow. To calculate the net cash flow, we need to, the formula is cash inflow plus cash outflow, and then we calculate. We can get the total net cash flow, total cash inflow, total cash outflow and total net cash flow. The total net cash flow is RM20,000. Next, to calculate the effective interest rate, we just need to put the formula, which is equal IRR, and we take from the year 0 to the year 4, and then the answer is 5.01%. Next, we calculate the borrow formula. The borrow formula is RM44,000 times PVIFA 5.01 times 4, and then we can calculate the account borrow. To calculate the account borrow is RM44,000 times 3.54512696, this one. Then to calculate the finance charge, the formula of finance charge is total charge inflow minus payment. Total charge inflow is RM220,000 minus RM44,000, and then the payment is RM155,985.59. We can get the finance charge is RM20,014.41. Next, list receivable schedule. We need column year, opening balance, interest, outstanding balance, installment and closing balance. Opening balance is RM155,985.59. And then to calculate the interest, we need to times opening balance times 5.01, which is interest. And then we need to calculate the outstanding balance. Outstanding balance is opening balance plus interest. And then the installment for all the years is RM44,000. To calculate the closing balance, we need to, the formula is outstanding balance minus installment. And then we calculate for the year 2022, we get the closing balance is 0. Next, the last question, journal entry of the lessor. 1st January 2019, debit cash RM200,000, credit revenue RM200,000, cost of sale debit RM120,000, inventory credit RM120,000, list receivable debit RM220,014.41, credit cash RM200,000, unearned interest income credit RM200,014.41, debit cash RM44,000, credit list receivable RM44,000. December 31st 2019, unearned interest income debit RM7814.88, interest income also credit RM7814.88, debit cash RM44,000, list receivable credit RM44,000. December 31st 2020, unearned interest income RM6,002, credit interest income RM6,002, debit cash RM44,000, credit list receivables RM44,000. December 31st, unearned interest income RM4,098.30, interest income RM4,098.30, debit cash RM44,000, list receivable RM44,000. And next, lastly, unearned interest income debit RM2,099.23, credit interest income RM2,099.23, and debit cash RM44,000, list receivable credit RM44,000. And that's all. Thank you.